So it started like this. We had the PBT Institute, Post-Betrayal Transformation Institute, where people who are ready to transform after betrayal come in and move through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. And then a lot of the members said, hey, do you have anything for the betrayer? And we were like, that's a good idea. So with that, we created our Rebuild program, which has since become one of our most popular programs. This is not for the betrayer who's just on to the next. This is for the betrayer who realize they have completely blown up their lives and they want to do whatever it takes to become someone they're proud of. So then we thought, well, they have their own area, their own community, and they really need their own kind of workbook. So all of our PBT certified coaches and practitioners created a workbook just for them. And then I was like, that's just too good to have within the community. So with that, we are launching the Rebuild Roadmap, which we are so excited about. It is a collaboration of every one of our, except we have a brand new coach. She's not in here. But other than that, every one of our coaches and practitioners, they've contributed their best strategies to heal. So to find out details, to join us for the release party and an incredible bonus, go to the blog, the latest blog. It looks like that, and it's a cover, and you will see, if you go to the PBT Institute, you will see, it looks like this, details on how to join us for the party next week. If you are the betrayer, enough is enough. Clean yourself up. We can tell you exactly how to do that. If you know somebody who is a betrayer who's ready to heal, we gotcha. So it's one of the most painful of the human experiences. And not only can you transform, you can become a version of yourself that will absolutely blow your mind, both the betrayer and the betrayed. So join us for the Rebuild Roadmap release party, and I'll see you there.